Hello guys, on Otaki Solution channel. So in this video I will show you how to withdraw from CoinStats. So first of thing, you need to have an account signed in with the wallet connected and with the goods on it as you want to withdraw. So first of all, you'll go to your portfolio and go to new transaction, and then you will find the currency that you are wanted to sell with. I guess you will sell with USD. So after choosing USD, press sell, and if you have in your wallet like you want to withdraw $100, so you will type here $100 in the sales section, add transaction, and there you go. You have on transactions. I already selling 2.5k dollar. So now it is 100. So it is 2.6k for selling as withdrawing and so on. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and share.